Hi fellas, this is Chemaddcts again to the solution. Welcome back to my another video tutorial. Well, today we're gonna study mechanics. So we're gonna solve a problem related to projectile, and by solving the problem we're gonna learn some of the basic concepts of projectile. So fellas, let's get started. The question says a projectile is launched from a point A projectile is launched from a point on a horizontal plane with initial speed u meter per second at an angle of elevation alpha. The particle moves freely under gravity until it strikes the plane. The range of the projectile is r-meter. Well, let us first draw the scenario. So this is the horizontal plane. Sorry, this is the vertical plane, and this is the horizontal plane. So from here we have launched the projectile, which is u, and this is the trajectory path. Here is the maximum velocity, which is v is equals to 0, and this is the horizontal displacement, which is r. Okay, so this is the scenario of the question. So now let us look at A. Here is another piece of information that is given here, which is the particle moves freely under gravity. So the only force here is gravity. Okay. So which acts downward. So we have only downward force. So there is no force other than downward force. So now let us look at A. Show that the time of flight of the particle is 2u sine alpha divided by g seconds. Okay. So in this video tutorial we're gonna solve A, and we're gonna solve this whole question in a series. Okay. So now we're gonna solve A. So let us solve A. Before solving A, now let us resolve this given initial velocity separately. So first let us resolve vertically, which is uy, which gives us as u sine. So we have missed one thing, the another piece of information that is given here, the angle of elevation, which is also alpha. Okay, so the vertical component of initial velocity should be u sine alpha. I hope that you get it right. Now let us resolve horizontally. U x, which is u cos alpha. So these are the two components of initial velocity that we have found. So now at first let us resolve horizontally, taking up as positive. Okay, so we're gonna resolve separately. So at first let us resolve vertically. So before solving, let us do the Subat format. SUVAT. So let us find this suvat. Then we're gonna choose a motion formula according to this value given. So here there is no displacement, so we will take the final displacement, which is here is 0. Here the displacement is 0. Okay, so we will take the whole time, since they have asked us to find the time of light. So at the 0 displacement we will get the time of light. At the 0 displacement we will get the time of light. Okay, so we will remember this. So we'll consider s equals to 0, since s s is 0, displacement is 0 at the time of light. So let us mark the time of light. Time of light is t, capital letter T. Okay, the time of light here is t. Okay, let this be t. So here the time is capital letter T, which is also the time of light, and here the u is the vertical component of initial velocity, which is u sine alpha. Okay, since we have taken the upward as positive direction, so initial velocity will be positive, time will be positive, but the gravitational acceleration, here the acceleration is gravitational acceleration, which is g, so this should be negative. Okay, so now let us choose the suitable equation, motion equation, for the values that are given. Okay, so the suitable equation is here, s is equals to ut plus half at square. Okay, this is a acceleration. Half is s equals to ut plus half at square. So here let us substitute the values. Here displacement is 0, u is u sine alpha, and t is the capital letter T plus half a, which is minus g, and this t is t square. So now let us shift this part on the left hand side and this part on the right hand side, so we will get something like this. U sine alpha t minus half g t square is equals to 0. So here we'll take the t as common. We'll take t common. Okay, t as common. Here t is the common. Let us factorize this thing up. So we'll get u sine alpha minus half g t is equals to 0. So here we can write t is equals to 0 and u sine alpha minus half g t is equals to 0. So we can shift this one, and remember this is negative. Okay, not the whole thing. Sorry, this is negative. So let us shift this part on the other side, then we will get half g t is equals to u sine alpha. So if we multiply 2 by g on the both sides, then we'll get something like this, dividing both sides by dividing both sides by 2 by g. Okay, so if we divide both sides by 2 by g, we will end up like this. T is equals to 2u sine alpha divided by g, and here it is. So this one matches with this thing. So here this is the time of flight. Therefore the time of flight is 2u sine alpha divided by g seconds. So fellas, I have hoped that you have understood the question as well as the answer. I hope that you have understood the question as well as the answer. If not, please ask question in the comment section. I am ready to hear your question regarding this topic. Okay, feel free to ask any type of question in the comment section. Okay, I will be waiting for your feedback. So this is the solution of A, and in the next tutorial we're going to solve B. Okay, well, that's the end of today's tutorial. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Thanks a lot, it means a lot to me, fellas. Thanks for supporting me, fellas. I'm really glad that you have watched till the end and watching this thing right now. I can't believe that you have watched till this end and that you have come to this point. Thanks a lot, and I'm really appreciating for you, fellas. Well, is there any part of this lesson that I have missed or you don't understand? If yes, then let me know in the comment section. Please write something in the comment section. Okay, and I am always there to help you, fellas, because I make video for you only, fellas, because my videos are only dedicated to you, fellas, and I make only videos for you, fellas. Okay, so and also please give your feedback for this video, whether this video was helpful for you or not. Okay, and I'll be waiting for your feedback. Okay, and tell me about this video tutorial, and it would be very helpful for me, and it is very important for me for the next video tutorial. How am I supposed to make next video tutorial? Relies on this feedback. So it is very important for me about the feedback. Okay. Well, fellas, here is the free courses only for you, fellas. You can click here to grab them. It's completely free for you, fellas, and I only make videos for you only, fellas. Okay, so it's completely free only for you, fellas. If you want, fellas, you may become a part of our team by clicking this button to stay updated. Okay, So why not become a seller? So by clicking this button, you will become our sellers and be the part of our team. Okay, we will be making more video tutorials later on, and we will update regularly in our channel. We will update our channel regularly. Okay, so stay tuned and best of luck.